Great afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss chapter unit and measurement. And in the previous lecture, we have discussed about physical quantities and the units. Now today in this lecture, we are going to discuss fundamental and derived units. Fundamental and derived units. So before go through the fundamental and derived unit, firstly we have to firstly discuss what are fundamental and derived physical quantities. As an interest, there are the 7 basic physical quantities, just like the mass, length, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, quantity of matter. But in mechanics, mostly we discuss about the 3 types of the physical quantities: mass, length, and time. So, what are the physical quantities? Fundamental, physical quantities. In mechanics, we discuss mainly mass, length, and time as the fundamental quantities. In mechanics, we discuss mainly mass, length, and time as fundamental quantities. These quantities are called as fundamental quantities. These quantities are called fundamental quantities because these all quantities are independent, because these all quantities are independent on each other. In mechanics, in the previous lecture, whenever we start the chapter introduction, where we have discussed what is mechanics. Mechanics is that branch of physics where we deal with the motion of particles. In mechanics, we discuss mainly mass, length, and time as the fundamental quantities. These quantities are called as fundamental quantities because these all quantities are independent on each other. Now, basically, if we discuss, there are the 7 fundamental quantities. 7: mass of an object, length of an object, time of an event, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, quantity of matter. But here I am just taking the branch mechanics. In mechanics, we discuss mainly 3 quantities: mass, length, and time as the fundamental quantities. These quantities are called as fundamental quantities because these all quantities are independent on each other, and the unit of these fundamental quantities are called as fundamental. The unit of these quantities are called as fundamental units. For example, mass, length, time, kilogram, meter. So here mass, unit of mass is kilogram, length, unit of length is meter, time, unit of time is second. So mass, length and time, these are known as the physical quantities. Physical quantities, mass, length and time are physical quantities. कौन सी quantities हैं बेटा ये? Fundamental. These are fundamental physical quantities. Here kilogram, meter, second, these are known as the fundamental units. Fundamental units. These are known as the fundamental. Fundamental unit क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि बाकी जो भी यूनिट बनेंगे वो सारे के सारे इन्हीं यूनिट से बनेंगे. I am just giving example. Force. Force. F is equal to ma. मैं क्लास में स्टडी करता है बेटा. Force बटा द यूनिट ऑफ मास. Unit of mass kilogram. बटा द unit of acceleration meter per second square. And whenever we take the example of force equal to mass into acceleration, what are the unit of mass? Kilogram, acceleration meter per second square, and this is known as the Newton, written as N. Now check from here. अब ये यूनिट बने हैं फोर्स से, कौन कौन से यूनिट यूज हुए हैं? ओनली फंडामेंटल यूनिट आर यूज. किलोग्राम मास के लिए, मीटर लेंथ के लिए और सेकंड टाइम के लिए. If we take the unit of energy के क्या बनेगा बेटा? किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, एंड दीज आर नोन एज द जूल. कौन कौन से यूनिट यूज हुए? किलोग्राम, मीटर और सेकंड. सो जो भी यूनिट आपके पास बनेंगे उनको बनाने में जो भी यूनिट यूज होंगे दे आर नोन एज द फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स. किलोग्राम, मीटर, second, these are known as the fundamental units. These are known as the fundamental units. Now we discuss about, so here kilogram, meter and second are called as fundamental units in mechanics. If we discuss in the other parts of physics, there are other fundamental quantities in other branches of physics are electric current, temperature, luminous intensities, and quantity of matter. Other fundamental quantities in other classes of physics are electric current here, temperature, luminous intensity, and quantity of matter. So we have the 7 fundamental quantities: mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and quantity of matter. And the unit of all these quantities are known as the fundamental units. So electric current has unit of electric current where temperature, Kelvin, luminous intensity, and the quantity of matter, mole. These are fundamental quantities. These are fundamental quantities, and these are known as fundamental units. Fundamental units. Clear? Okay. Next, derived unit, derived quantities, derived quantities, and derived units. Derived quantities and derived units. Derived quantities are those quantities. Derived quantities are those quantities. Derived quantities are those quantities which are obtained from the fundamental quantities by multiplying and dividing them, by multiplying or dividing them, Derived quantities are those quantities which are obtained from fundamental quantities by multiplying or dividing them. For example, we take example of speed. What is speed? Speed equals to distance upon time. Speed equals to distance upon time. What are the unit of distance? Meter. What are the unit of time? Second. It is known as meter per second. So here speed is known as derived quantity, and the unit of speed are known as the derived unit. So here speed is derived quantity and unit of speed are called as unit of speed meter per second. Unit of speed meter per second are called as derived unit. Unit of speed are called as derived unit. So speed is derived quantity and unit of speed are called derived unit. So derived quantities are those quantities which are obtained from the fundamental quantities by multiplying or dividing them. For example, speed equals to distance upon time. Unit of distance meter, time second. Meter fundamental unit, second fundamental unit. फंडामेंटल यूनिट को डिवाइड करके जो आपके पास यूनिट बना दैट इज द मीटर पर सेकंड. मीटर पर सेकंड. सो मीटर पर सेकंड इज derived unit and speed is the derived quantity. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.